start with Terry McGraw. There are those who are suggesting that President Obama is almost here more as CEO than president, that the epicenter, in a sense, of this equation this time, more than terrorism, which a lot of the political class would like to focus on, is the economy.
Correct.
And no apologies for that, for CEO Obama.
Right. No, I mean, there is no question about it. I mean, this was very, very important to come. This is a big week, because from here, obviously, it goes on to Indonesia and then to Seoul for the G20 and then back to Japan for the APEC. So this was all planned out, and this is one of the most important relationships that the United States has to get right. And so to make this kind of a visit and make it now is very important. In the United States right now, we're probably looking at somewhere around 2.7% growth for this year, probably 2.5% next year. And if you're going to grow, if you're going to be able to create the environment to make the investments, then you're going to get the jobs. And so if you're a politician, you want those jobs, so you've got to get after the growth. So if you're going to have slow growth in the United States, what you're going to have to do is get to those places that are growing a lot faster and make sure you're cementing and those bonds and those relationships. And that's why I think it was here. Yes, I think we were all very surprised a little bit. A group of CEOs of us got together with the president yesterday, and we all looked at each other and said, we've got a salesman in chief. And that's
and it
exactly
sounded like a big sales pitch.
Yeah, but that's exactly what a president ought to do. He ought to be helping, work with business to make sure that we're making the investment. But he was talking about, two-way. I have to give and to get, and same thing back and forth, and that was very good.
How much of it has to do with the drubbing in the midterms and his need to take something back and his need to look like he's pro-business in a country which has often dubbed him a socialist rather sneeringly?
Not at all. Nothing on that one. It has nothing to do with the election or whatever. It is truly about growth. And if we are going to, pick up that kind of growth, then, you're going to have to be in those areas that are growing faster. And India would be the most important relationship in that, because of the shared values, shared beliefs, and the open markets and things like that.
All right. So you're happy with the salesman sort of spirit of Barack Obama. Kanwal Sibal, there are two big sort of building blocks that could be built on further after this trip. One is the economy and economics, one is politics. Step back a day to what do you see? What's the big picture?
Well, he began with a business meeting in Mumbai, and therefore the focus is on business.
Well, he began with 2611.
Well, those were symbolic gestures.
Okay.
And he also made it very clear, even before he reached Indian shores, that he's going to focus on the economy and on jobs. And in background briefings, this was said on both sides. So clearly, from the American point of view, they intend focusing on the business and commercial and economic ties during the visit, because that is politically a sensitive subject for President Obama himself because of high unemployment rates, and he wants to justify his visit to India and to other countries, and especially to India, so soon after the elections, by sending a message back home that he's out there to create jobs in the United States. Now, he has said a few things which, if you look at very carefully, can be questioned. Now, for example, he said that the image of India and the United States is that of a country which, through outsourcing, is stealing U.S. jobs.
He said that's the stereotype.
No, he said that this is the perception. He said this is the perception.
Stereotype? If I'm right. Well, anyway.
Well, he used the word stereotype also later, but he said this is the perception, and he said it quite categorically. Now, it's very unfortunate if this is the perception, because I don't think that first of all, it is contrary to facts.